So, hi, this is Mrs. Jones. I'm just recording a quick summary of Tuesday's lesson, which is introducing the first part of our mid-unit assessment. So the first part of your mid-unit assessment, you're going to be reading the top 10 reasons Shakespeare did not write Shakespeare. We're going to be focusing on summarizing the central idea of an informational text and claim and counterclaim. So part one of our task, we are going to look through this document and you're going to read everything that has a heading that is in red. So for example, our very first heading, our introductory paragraph, the heading is in red. It's called The Real Shakespeare. You're going to read this. You also have the option to click on the link and follow along as you listen to the audio recording. Once you have completed reading this first paragraph, you are going to write your gist in the far right column. The next part of this task is to select one of the topics that falls underneath that, which these are pieces of information that the author is introducing to support their main claim. You have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to choose from. You're going to choose one of the titles that is in blue, and you're going to be typing your gist statement in the far right column. Again, you also have this audio recording available so that you can follow along. Remember, a gist statement just summarizes what that paragraph is about in a really quick, brief statement. Following that, you're going to be focusing on the counterclaim and the concluding paragraph. These two topics are in red, so that means they must be done. You will again write your gist in the far right column. Once you have completed that part of the task, the reading and the gist statements, you're going to move to part 2 of the task. This is very clearly identified here, where you're going to be identifying the central claim and the central idea. You're going to be putting your answers in the far right column in complete sentences. That's very important for us to note so that we're able to copy and paste this information into our Google form that we will be completing on Thursday. Notice everywhere it is highlighted in yellow, text evidence is required. And there will need to be an explanation that goes with that text evidence so that it does not stand alone. Then you will fall on down to part 2, which is, again, focusing on the heading in blue that you read, again, stating your gist statement, introducing your evidence, and explaining your evidence. Counterclaim, you will find that in section paragraph 7 under Genius. Again, gist statement and text evidence will be following in the right column with explanation. You will finally wrap everything up with a concluding statement that focuses on the information presented in paragraph 8, Stratford. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher, and good luck.